Vlogger na si Tito Mars. Viral na ngayon.
To Re-Liberation Act about the people on Filipino culture. Whatever the content or international. Hindi naman siya foreigner at hindi naman siya half. So, bakit siya mag-a-act ng ganyan sa Filipino food? Food, dirty food. Or something exotic the food. For hear about the Banat Bai and Maharlika, the vlogger about the scene of Australianas is the fake about the news inspired the wrong information like this. Kaya dito kay Tito Mars, dapat talaga siya tanggalin na sa TikTok or whatever the platform kasi yun is best irritated. Ako nag-ako ng ganyan pero it's a simple thing about the mini program and anything I believe